guys, here we are at Tintagel Castle looking at the bridge. It's my first sighting of it and here it is. Look at that. Just spend a moment just to take in those views. How wonderful is that? Absolutely stunning. Look at this crow. I got my friend. Hello, crow. What's going on? Huh? Come on. Come here. Yep, I am at Tintagel Castle looking at this amazing view of the bridge. Look at this. Look at that. And the crashing waves and rocks down there. It is fantastic. Look at that. What a moment. The moment that makes it all worth it is right now. This is the entrance to the castle. It's 5 o'clock. They actually close at 6 o'clock, but still taking tickets. Climbing up the steps, the coastal path. I'm wearing a massive backpack, camera gear, tripod, the lot. And it feels about 50 degrees, really is about 20. There's just some steps. After a big climb some more. Look at this view. Look at this. I'm not even high up yet. I'm not up the top of the cliffs. There's still a way to go. It's gonna get magnificent, dude. Magnificent. The views are just stunning. Absolutely amazing. We're just getting higher and higher. And the view's just getting more spectacular. Look at it. The £4 million bridge only opened 1 month ago from this moment, looking at it right now. Before the bridge, I used to walk up and down the stairways, the steps. I used to take 45 minutes to go up, down and around. So now it's a lot faster, but you can see them all at the top there, right at the edge of the rock, and you have to pay to go through the castle to get to that point. Look at this seat, conveniently positioned for an epic view. Absolutely epic. Look at those plates, those slates. I don't think I'll be standing on the edge of those. I've just flown the drone for the first time. I'm well chuffed. And it flew like a dream. It's just over there right now. And the battery's got low. The only bummer is I've left the other batteries in the car, so I'm not able to fly anymore. That's a bummer because it's such a stunning setting to fly as well. But I feel like I've cracked it. I've cracked my drone drought, my flying drought. It's magic. I've got some nice footage that I would never have got otherwise. But absolutely wonderful. It adds a new element to my photography, videography. Makes it all worth it, boy. Makes it all worth it. I'm just sitting here with my drone, my phone, my camera, my bag, all my gear. After I just flew my drone, I just feel like static and kind of empty at the same time. Feel like I found a chocolate factory, but I forgot the keys to get in, or something like that. I brought 3 batteries on this trip. I've left 2 in the car. And I've just burnt the one out that I had. And with an hour and a half to sunset, what do? Go back to the car, get the battery. I have to walk through the town. It's too far to walk, I'm going to get it. So I'm gutted, I'm a bit gutted, but then again, I've moved forward big time because I've flown it. And it was easy to fly it, so easy. And I'll be doing it a lot more in the future. Just flying it off the cliffs. So, piece of cake, man. It's a piece of cake. Just wishing I could be flying my drone another 2 or 3 times and get nearer to the bridge, because I did get over towards it in the first flight. In myself, I'm feeling great. I feel fantastic. And I'm loving it. I love life. I just want to fly my drone so bad now. I just got a taste for it by flying it that one time. And it was more just of a practice flight, because I've not flown it for for 12 months. And that's how long it's been, 12 months since the last time I flew it. Before transplant in Scotland. And I did crash it that trip, but fortunately it crashed into trees and didn't do any damage to it. So yeah, I am so happy to have flown it for the first time, and this is going to be the first time of many. So it's nice just to sit now in the glow of the warm sun and reflect on these things. I know I look silly with my hat, but it's for a good reason, a very good reason. Okay, peace. It's the brand new walkway, only just opened in August 2019, which was what, last month, 1 month ago. Cost £4 million UK, and you've got to pay £13 admission fee. It's just one big ass rock, and the sunset is coming shortly. We have some sunset lights on the bridge now. How amazing is this? All the crows are flying around. I'm in the castle grounds, and it's after closing time. Now it's 7 o'clock. It's almost gone. It's almost gone. We have 1 minute. 1 minute and it will fully disappear. There we go. It's about 1/3 there. And it's going, I can see it moving. I'm sure you can too. It's accelerating below the horizon. What a wonderful place is Tintagel. And I should add in for the castle for that matter, because we are at the castle next to Tintagel Bridge, but that's not actually in the shot. It's just to the right of this. There we go, it's gone, finished, show's over. Hope you enjoyed it, peace.